Most drivers don't know that a simple coin can reveal whether their tires are still safe to use. This quick tire wear trick takes only a few seconds and could help you avoid poor traction, longer braking distances, and even dangerous blowouts. Here's how it works. Insert a coin into the tire tread with the design facing downward. If the tread covers a significant portion of the coin, your tires still have enough depth for good grip. If most of the coin remains visible, it's a clear sign that the tread is too worn and it's time to replace your tires. Different countries use different coins, but the principle is the same. You're checking whether the tread depth is still within a safe range. Keep in mind that this coin trick is only a quick estimate, not a replacement for a proper tread depth gauge. Also inspect your tires for uneven wear, cracks, bulges, or embedded objects, as these issues can affect safety, even if the tread looks acceptable. Before your next road trip, take 30 seconds to try this simple test. It could save you money, improve your vehicle's handling, and most importantly, help keep you and your passengers safe. Follow for more car hacks, driving tips, and automotive facts.